and action.
Welcome back to Be Empowered. If you're new here, thanks for joining us today. I'm Daniel, and in today's video, we're going to be slapping this beautiful powder-coated rough country bumper on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. It still has some life left in it, and we want to give it a good look. We've already transformed the front end. If you haven't watched those videos, go check them out. They're going to be right up here. So let's get into the video. Okay, let's check and see what we got in the box for all the mounting brackets and lights. This does have LED lights on the back, so let's check it out. Zip ties and some plugs, it looks like. Definitely want to have directions on this bad boy because I don't know what I'm doing. Got some bolts, definitely gonna use those. I got some wiring for the light kit. All the rest of this looks like mounting brackets. Let's see this. This should be the light kit. Forget it. I'm impatient. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this. Dang, look at them lights. Look at them LEDs in that sucker. I better not turn these on when somebody's behind me or it might blind them. We're gonna take a look at the directions and then we're gonna start installing this sucker. Let's get at it. Man, this thing looks awesome. I know some people don't like the quality of rough country, but so far on the front bull bar and this, I have not been disappointed. It looks awesome. Jimmy's doing some weird dance right now, so he's trying to make me laugh. You know, it's just not working.
Apologies, the audio quit working during this clip. So what we're doing here is cleaning up the trailer hitch and the trailer hitch support so that way that it looks nice and neat and new. There's a lot of dirt and grime and just some rust. So we're going to clean that off and make it look great.
Okay, we let this dry after we cleaned it off. Now we're going to shoot it with some spray paint. Some Rust-Oleum to make sure that it doesn't rust. So let's get at it. Okay, we put a nice first coat on. It really doesn't matter if there's any runs or anything. It's just to protect it and to make sure that it has a little bit of color to it because it was getting a little bit dingy and rusty. The wire reeled it all off and now we got the spray on it. So we're just gonna let it dry and then maybe hit it up with one more coat. We're gonna use our nice new Dynaglow torpedo heater to dry this thing out quick. All right, so we went ahead and put another coat on it. It's almost done drying. It's just a tad bit tacky, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the masking that we put on, drop the tailgate, and go ahead and start installing parts on the new bumper, like the LED lights. The paint's dry on the trailer hitch, so we're gonna go ahead and start mounting the brackets for the bumper. All right, we have the brackets on now, so now we're gonna mount up, we're gonna test fit the bumper and see how it fits so we can do some aligning, do some adjustments on this thing, make sure it's level. Once it's level, we're gonna tighten up everything and make it solid. All right, we got the bumper all mounted up, secured. We got the mechanism for the spare tire mounted up as well. It's solid. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the lights, the backup lights, and also we can turn them on whenever we want. There's a switch that we have. This thing is gonna be bright. So we're gonna run the power for that, as well as part of our next project, which is gonna be a backup camera. We're gonna swap out this bezel here, and it has a backup camera attached. So we're gonna go ahead and run it at the same time. So let's get at it. So tell us what you think about this bumper. Do you like it? Wait until you see the lights. But throw down in the comments what you think about it. To run the power wire into the engine bay for the back bumper lights, we're gonna have to remove part of the inner fender liner. All right, let's get into it. Let's get at it. Okay, we fished the power wire up through the engine bay. We just have to mount this relay, which we'll probably mount right beside the other relay for the bull bar light. Then we'll secure the wire to the switch across the engine bay like we did on the last one, go through the firewall and mount it inside. So now we're going to do that, and then we'll hook up the positive and the ground to the battery and then fire this thing up. See how it looks? All right, let's get at it.
Alright, let's see what these bad boys look like. Oh my gosh, those things are so bright. I can't believe those things are so bright. Wow. Man, those things are just about as bright as the light bar up front in the bull bar. Oh my gosh, look at them things.
Okay, we got everything buttoned up, everything tightened down. We got all the wiring done. And with that said, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss anything in the future. So God bless you and God bless America. Be empowered out. Welcome back to Be Empowered. If you're new here, thanks for joining. I'm Daniel. And in today's video, we are going to slap this rough country, powder coated, beautiful bumper. Dang it, stupid train.
Train got us.
It's all the way across the river.